The Tories just don't care about Wales. They don't care about communities and they don't understand the challenges that people face day in, day out. Time and time again, Wales has been let down, leaving us worse off, threatening services that are a lifeline to many and making life harder for families across Wales. In the face of a climate emergency, they've cancelled rail electrification and they've turned their back on the Swansea Bay tidal lagoon, hammering our economy and the environment. They've pushed ahead with their callous benefit reforms, with universal credit causing hardship and misery to hard-working Welsh families. They've slashed the Welsh budget, hitting our public services. And now they're threatening Wales with a catastrophic no-deal Brexit, which would bring our communities to their knees and devastate our economy. The Tories have never cared about Wales, but it doesn't have to be this way.
Wales deserves so much better, and I'm proud to be part of the Welsh Labour MP team in Westminster who take on this dreadful Tory government week in, week out. We've spoke on the losses of jobs in the steel industry. We've talked about the injustice that's suffered by 1950s women, and we took on the big companies who don't look after you online. And we've done all this from the opposition benches. Imagine what we could do in government.
Together we can create that new green industrial revolution, using our winds, our waves and tides to power a nation. But we need a UK Labour government as well to invest with us in addressing the seriousness of the climate emergency. In the meantime, we go on, investing in the childcare that helps families back into work, supporting students through university, and investing in workers to give them the skills they need for the jobs of the future. And only here are we investing in 20,000 affordable new homes, helping families right across Wales.
Imagine a UK government working hand in hand with a Welsh Labour government. We would deliver real and lasting change. We would build on what we've already achieved here in Wales. And we would make sure that every person, company and community reached its full potential.
Together we can create a brighter future. With your support, on Thursday the 12th of December, we will deliver real change for Wales.